ELA 8, Quarter 3, Socializing with Books. Hello, readers. How are you? Think to yourself, where are you on the compass? Take 3 breaths to focus. Q3 Dystopian Literature. Ignite. 1. Today's goal. Students will be able to conduct a mature, responsible online discussion where we cite our texts, refer to our evidence, and encourage socialization through literature. Entrance ticket, aka something to think about. Did you rent a book from the library or from virtual apps? Have you been trying to read for 30 minutes most days? Chunk for work time, mini lesson. Good readers socialize with their books and participate in book talks, clubs, discussions, and debates. How to have an online book discussion. 1. Answer 2 questions you know the best, blue and or green. Comment on at least 2 other posts. Answer the question fully with complete sentences and thorough ideas. Refer back to the text and use exact pages, chapters, and section. Use these quotes when we are citing the text. Be independent and unique and have fun. Chew on it. Comment examples. Use words like I agree or I disagree or say more or why do you think that way or what made you think that or which page do you see that happening. I agree because, I disagree because, say more about that, what you mean, what page number was that on. Avoid words such as like or dislike. 4.4a, excellent. I always follow direction discussion norms. I state clear and complex ideas about the story I'm reading. I use examples, details, and quotes from the text to support my ideas. I'm able to add on to and challenge the ideas of other book club members. I correctly use technical vocabulary. Review. 5. Exit ticket. Answer 2 of 8 questions. Comment on at least 2 other posts. Questions in blue can be for those students who have chosen a dystopian novel. Questions in green can be for those students who have not yet chosen a dystopian novel. Q1. In your opinion, what is the most important theme the author of the book is trying to communicate? Support your claim with evidence from the text. In my opinion, the most important theme for my book is on page, whatever page it is, it says, quote, and question 2, what social issues are you seeing in your dystopian novel? The social issues I see in my book are Q3, what have the main characters learned about him or herself, other characters, or the world? My characters have learned that. Q4, what kinds of struggles and problems did the main character face? Explain how the main character dealt with and solved each one. My characters have struggled with, on page blank, it says, quote, Q5, what feelings did you have as you read this story? Find some place that made you feel that way. Share and discuss these. When I read my novel, it made me feel blank because of this other thing. All right, Q6. Why would Margot from All Summer in a Day stay quiet about her knowledge of the sun? Ooh. Margot stayed quiet because on page blank it says, quote, Q7. In the story 0 Hour, when do you think the story takes place? Was it long ago, in the future, or in the present? Why? Click here for 0 Hour by Ray Bradbury. I think the story takes place during. I know this because. Q8. The Lottery is a story about tradition. What are some other problems the character couldn't solve? Click here to read the lottery text. Some other problems they face are. I know this because. Thank you.